on the TRESR trial, which assessed the novel and highly selective and potent ATRi inhibitor RP3500 from repair as monotherapy, we found that this drug was very well tolerated, and we observed that the mechanism-based anemia was actually seen at very low rates at 24% of grade 3 anemia, with no grade 4 anemia rate seen on this trial. And in addition to that, the neutrophil decreases were very low, at, grade 3 at 10%, and grade 3 low platelets at 5% of patients only. So very well controlled, well tolerated treatment. Importantly, what we found was that RP3500 monotherapy actually resulted in very durable clinical benefit in several tumor types and genomic alterations. The overall clinical benefit rate was 43%, but importantly, in an area of real clinical unmet need, we found that in recurrent ovarian cancer patients, and these were a very heavily pretreated patient population, also 90% of these patients had prior PARP inhibitors, 85% were actually platinum-refractory and resistant. And we found that in these patients, the overall response was 25%, the clinical benefit rate was 75%, and the median progression-free survival was 35 weeks. And this very important area of great clinical unmet need. In addition to that, we also found that in BRCA1 and BRCA2 mutated cancers, in patients who were previously treated with a PARP inhibitor, the clinical benefit rate was 48%, and responses were seen beyond hereditary breast and ovarian cancers. Interestingly, we also found that biallelic loss of function has the potential to actually enrich for patients most likely to benefit from RP3500. And so based on all of these data, multiple clinical trials with RP3500 alone or in combination with other agents are currently ongoing.